Prime Minister Narendra Modi's message against global terror and also urging action against those who sponsor, shelter and support that terror. Prime Minister Modi invoking the Pahalgam massacre at the G7 summit as well. Prime Minister Modi says, I quote him here, act against those who are supporting terror. Prime Minister Modi asks, I quote him here, will countries understand the grave threat posed by terrorism only when they become a target? Huge statement coming in. There are some countries waiting to become a target and only then they will understand what a grave threat terrorism really is. How can perpetrators of terror and the victims be equated? Very strong words that you cannot put the victims and the perpetrators on the same page. Will global institutions become mute spectators to terrorism? Another big statement coming in. This is a big question mark and I bring in Shivani Sharma here. Shivani, there are many global institutions, these big, so to say, developed Western nations. And the question to them being posed by Prime Minister Modi that will you become mute spectators to terrorism? Why do you think these choice of words and these statements at the G7 summit?
See, it was very much required for India to keep a very strong stand and message coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, not only slamming the mute spectators of by the nations who have witnessed how Pahalgam attack happened. Remember, Pooja, there were words of solidarity coming in, but a number of nations were quite neutral. And he also asked questions that when these nations will understand about terrorism, only when they will be targeted. Are they waiting for the time to be the targets of terror? Only then will they understand and talk about countering terrorism. Another very strong statement that how can the victims of terror and the perpetrators of terror be equated? So a very clear stand and a very strong message out here, Pooja, pointing out without naming to Pakistan that Pakistan cannot be the victim. We are the victims, in fact, and Pakistan and India cannot be equated by any nation or any platform globally. So this is a very strong message, and nations need not be the mute spectators. They need to rise in unity against terrorism, and that's been the very strong message of Prime Minister Narendra Modi when he was addressing and giving this message at the G7 summit, where he has said that India's fight against terror will continue without any compromise.